finally made it here. And it's so much more than we imagined. Everyone is an artist, and everything a work of art. Did you know that the Alps are still growing? Every year they jostle for room, stretching their snow-dusted spires. It's like something out of a fairy tale. A land where the forests are green, the lakes are blue, and the heroes all live in castles. Except this place is better, because it's real. Yesterday I watched the clouds dance over the city of Mozart. He was born here in this pretty little town of cobblestone streets. Every day, an orchestra brings his music back to life, relighting the flames of a centuries-old fire. And when those melodies ring out, you can feel it. That heat. Because history is everything here. Every village and palace, laneway and church, plaza and park has a tale to tell. The cities are old, but they're alive. They're built on the past, living for the present, and excited for the future. I feel at home here. Everyone rides in the footsteps of royalty and takes their coffee on street corners. The locals smile like they hold the key to the good life. And I believe them. Tomorrow I'm headed back to the mountains. I've learned there's a kind of serenity in the solitude, a peace that comes when you're just a speck in the wild. There is so much magic here. I can't wait for you to see it.